Kia ora, kia mihi tātou ki a tātou anō I ngā mahi whakahirihira mo Te Wiki o Te Reo Maori I tēnei tau. Let's congratulate each other on the greatest ever Te Wiki o Te Reo Maori. Nā tō rourou, nā taku rourou, I tutuki ai te kaupapa. Māori Language Week is a celebration for all New Zealanders living in the home of Te Reo Maori. Māori Language Week celebrates Te Reo Maori as a language we can use for anything at all, and we did. During the course of the week, we had Māori language coffees, menus, haircuts, outdoor signage, kitchen signs, songs, newspaper mastheads, websites, quizzes, competitions, videos, adverts, cockatoos, kapahaka, speeches, journalists, politicians, leaders, councillors, hikoi, bands, fire trucks, ticket kiosks, hamburgers, shopping, scaffolding, airports, trains, boats and planes and buses, tourist promotions, teaching and learning at our overseas post, passports, birth certificates, conservation promotions, sign language, reception greetings, nappy changing even, breastfeeding, prayers, church services, discussions, arguments, proposals of marriage we hope, travel, directions, dreams and anything else you can think of that uses language. Māori Language Week is here to promote the use of Māori language, everywhere, by everybody, every day. By promoting the status and awareness of the Māori language, we support learning and use. We increase demand for new words and terms to carry Te Reo Māori into every domain of our lives. Thank you to all who contributed to the success of this week. Māori Language Week is your week. Nā reira e kore e mimiti. Te mihi me te aroha o te ngākau ki a koutou katoa. Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou katoa.